Meaning, instead of going to the barber shop because you learn how to do it on your own, you just put that money in those stock instead. How much will we have over the years if it compounded?
Gotta be honest with you guys. I just woke up and had an idea. I said, wait a minute, my channel is kind of talking about finance and how to save money and all that stuff. And look at this face. I just woke up. Can't lie. I just woke up. But I had the idea because today's my haircut day. And you guys don't know this, but I cut my own hair. I've been cutting my own hair since I was probably 16 years old, 15 years old, something like that. And where did that begin? It began because I was broke. So I think that's a perfect time to introduce you guys to, or talk to you guys about why I started cutting my own hair and how much, who knows? In the comment section, you guys help me do the math. I'm 34 years old right now. If I started at around 15, 16 years old, how much money do you think I probably saved in all these years, bro? How much? It got to be a lot. But anyways, enough talking. I got to show you guys the action because I know some of you guys are probably thinking, what you mean cutting your own hair, man? You're probably going to do something like all side. Just hold on. Just hold on. Wait, it's coming. It's coming. Man, you guys already know me. And if you don't know me, you're going to get to know me. Trust me. When it's haircut time, I'm ready to Nah, I'm just kidding. Hey, I'm so excited, guys, because as I was cutting my hair, I said to myself, I know what I'm going to do for my people. I know what I'm going to do for my people. I know what I'm going to do for you guys. I'm a nerd, and I used this calculator. And as I was cutting my hair, I was like, man, what am I going to talk to my people about this whole concept of, saving money, learning how to cut your own hair and whatnot, right? Because I learned how to cut my own hair. I'm a first generation American. Family was immigrants. They came here. They didn't really understand the system. We weren't rich. You know what I'm saying? I had so much brothers and sisters. Like, my parents couldn't take every single one of us to the barber shop. I had to learn. Look at this. I haven't even showed you guys. My bad. Yep. Come on, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. I had to learn how to do this myself. Through watching other barbers. We didn't have YouTube like that back then. Now, if I got YouTube, boy, trust me. But don't worry, we're going to talk about these things. So, number one, this is where I want to take you. I did the math, right? And I was like, man, if I haven't cut my own hair, and by the way, I actually started when I was around 14, maybe 13. Around that time, I was in 8th grade. That's when I really started buying small equipment and just like trying to do it on my own, right? The number that I got is $15,000 from the year 14 years old all the way to 34, where I'm at now. $15,000 is how much I've calculated that I've saved over all those years of not going to the barbershop, paying an average of $60 a month. That's probably like a haircut and then like a taper. You know what I mean? If you guys go to the barbershop, you know what I'm talking about already. Haircut, taper, you might do that, every 2 weeks just to maintain your look, right? And again, that could be very low. I'm going to keep emphasizing that because I don't want to disrespect barbers. Anyways, I did some math, $15K. Then here's what I did. I'm a nerd. I got to take it here for you guys. I have to take it here. I went to ChatGPT and I said, bro, I have saved $15,000 over the past 20 years due to cutting my own hair instead of going to the barbershop. Now, my question is, if I distributed this money that I saved, broken down into months, which is at $6,250, and I was purchasing Amazon stock. This channel is about money and how we could grow our wealth, man. How we could, change our mindset to see how money works. and I was purchasing the Amazon stock, I would also want to do AutoZone stock. I threw in AutoZone just to show us that it doesn't even only need to be tech stocks and popular stocks. I don't know if you guys know what AutoZone is. That's a car place. That's a car part place, bro. I'm talking about a car. Imagine you were putting the 6250 in a fucking sorry, excuse my language, in a damn car auto damn store. Okay, I said do AutoZone as well. In these past 20 years, meaning instead of going to the barber shop because you learn how to do it on your own, you just put that money in those stock instead. How much will we have over the years if it compounded? Not saying you grab that whole 15K right now and throw it in. Nah, I'm saying each month, every time you go and do your own haircut because you learned how to do it yourself, or your son learned how to do it himself, or whatever, how much would you save? How much would you save? Psh, we don't use that word here. We invest. How much would your money have grown had we put it in monthly? That's $62. Hold on, let's go. We're gonna do the math. Assumptions and setup. Your savings pattern. You save 15K over the 20 years. The breakdown is about $62.50 per month for 240 months.
Hypothetically invested 62 each month. So I do this, but if you want to read through it slowly, pause, go ahead. Historically, Amazon 25 to 60% annually. AutoZone over these 20 plus years estimated around 19 to 20% annual return, right? Which is crazy high in my opinion. But
if invested, monthly contribution $62.50, total contributed $15,000, estimated value today over 20 years $300 to $350K, bro. And that's not even including the fact that I actually learned how to use the skill on people as well. I would take the skill that I did on myself and actually made a job out of it. Right? A side income, side hustle. So what I'm trying to show here to us, by the way, guys, just where I'm taking it and why I'm just this hype and pumped is because I want to teach us like how to, this is the whole point of this, is like how you can view money. And I'm so passionate about this that I created something for you that's linked in the description below, and I'm going to pin it in a comment below. That is a home barber starter kit. Home barber starter kit. What does this home barber starter kit have in it? It has all the tools that if you're someone that has no idea how to cut your own hair, and you're like, man, I've always been wanting to learn how to cut my own hair, or man, I could do that. I could really use that type of money, that kind of growth, that over the years 300 or something. Okay, that's ridiculous. That's a down payment for, that's a home. That's a college. Imagine you come back, you get your kid this home barber starter kit, right? And he learns how to cut his own hair. He starts saving his money instead, or you start investing that money instead. Over a 20-year period of time, the compounding is so powerful. The power of compounding is underrated. That was just 15K. That was $62 a month, okay? The barber kit has everything I would have wished somebody would have gave me. It's not barber school. Don't get me wrong. I am not, putting your kid through or putting you through barber school when you get this, but it's probably better because what you get is you get the list of everything you need to start cutting your own hair. Everything you guys saw me use, I listed it all. And on top of that, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. You get a little bit of variations on what you want to do, what you might want to do to your hair. It teaches you about the transitions up to the fade and all that good stuff. I try to put it all in there for you guys because 300 to 350K over the year, bro. Come on, man. But let's go down. Let's look at the AutoZone really quick. Monthly $62.50, total contributed $15,000. AutoZone, look at that, $120,000. That's probably more or less, mind you. It says that let's go down here because it did say something along the lines of these are estimates, not precise calculations. These are not, they don't even include dividends because sometimes stocks pay dividends. All right, so family, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe if it's the first video you're watching on my channel, I welcome you to subscribe. I welcome you here. I'm a first generation American. My family is from Central America, Nicaragua and Costa Rica. I came to this country and I had to fumble and I had to fall in order to learn about money and be able to confidently talk about money to you guys. And that's why I created this channel. That's why I'm creating this channel in hopes of growing a like-minded community who's like, man, you know, we're going through hard times. We got inflation. We got, you know, prices at an all-time high. I could use some help, man. I could use some understanding of how the monetary system works. And this is part of it. I gave you guys a little sneak peek, a little nugget of information here on yeah, how you can start doing that, you know, how you can view money. So if you like this kind of content, if you like this kind of information that I drop, if you are interested in the home barber starter kit, it's linked in the description. It's pinned in the comment below. I think it's so cool for you guys to start. What's the worst that'll happen if you get this? The worst that'll happen is you suck at cutting hair, and maybe you start just cutting your little brother or your little cousin, your little nephew or your son or someone. You know what I'm saying? You're still saving money. I teach you the best machines, the best tools. This is my favorite machines and my favorite tools that I've been using. And now you guys know. Now you guys know that I cut my own hair. So if you guys ever see me on this channel, I might not always be talking about barbering because that's not all I talk about. I like to think I'm multifaceted. Now you guys know I cut my own hair, so you could call me out. Hey, bro, you having to? Hey, I think it's time. It might be time. Who knows? Anyways, I did too much talking. You guys are cool. Thank you for staying and watching. I got things to do, man. I got things to do. All right. So for now, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. Tell your friends and your family about the home barber starter kit, right? Prices is way too high right now to be going to pay. My bad, barbers. By the way, barbers, I'm sorry. I'm saying it right now. I apologize, but just got to help my people out. All right. Hope you guys the best. And for now, that's all. I'm out.